Hey guys, Rocket Carman here. This is a view from slot car track right in front of the shop. In the background there you see a bunch of construction equipment that's all plastic. I found this. Yes! Mini series remote truck. So it looks amazing. See if I can slide it out here, but you know, it doesn't dump or anything. It's just a forward, backwards, and reverse. I think it was only like see, you could tell in the back they got all the other guys, but maybe it's manual. Let's find out. I'm gonna open it up. All right, I got her open. She I mean, what? Oh, there's some pressure there. I mean, first impression, really nice. Just a nice little tiny, like, so if we look at a traditional, that's kind of big actually. Here's a Matchbox car. It's not necessarily to scale, but it's really nice. What's even nicer is this controller. Look at this thing. Awesome. So again, I'm pretty sure the price of this was $14. Trying to get the cable out right now. There's a demo button in the middle here. We'll see how that goes. Tell you how long it charged. I'll be back in a second here. Sort things out. Just charging away. Alright, well, the light went off. Again, not expecting too much here. Simply because, whoa, nice and quiet. Ooh. See if we, well, let's take a look. Okay, make it up the hill. Oh. It's like there's barely any sand in there, and it couldn't make it. Maybe I need to put some weight in the back. Oh, get out of that sand. I'll put you in another sand trap. You want to go to the beach over here? Can you not make it? You can't power through that? Wait a second. Oh. Why do I have two up buttons? What's this demo do? What are you doing? You're just wrecking havoc. I like you, little truck. I don't know what you're trying to do. I'm gonna put you on the flat. Alright, it's on the flat now. Let's push that demo button again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where are you going? You coming back here? That's just that. Is this some sort of weird? What? What kind of demo is this? You're just... I think you're still awesome. Alright, I'm turning you out. Okay, double demo. Okay, if that's reverse, that's forward. And then I got reverse and forward on the other side. I'm very confused. Reverse and turn? What? I can just push it at an angle like a joystick. This thing is pretty sweet. What car, man? Look at this.
Top race truck, $14.